Hello dear friends, today I am sharing the recipe for Rava Vada with you. Selamat datang, namaskaram and welcome to Rampa Ratu's kitchen. There are many types of vadas in India. Here in Malaysia, we are familiar with the ulundu vadai, which is made with urad dal, and the paruppu or masala vadai, which is made with chana dal, which is known as kadala paruppu as well. Now, the thing with these vadas is that they cannot be made at the spur of the moment. It has to be thought of well in advance because the dals have to be soaked for about 3 to 4 hours, then ground to the right consistency before they can be formed into vadas and deep fried. On the other hand, the Rava Vada can be made instantly. Whenever you feel like eating a vada, you can make the Rava Vada. The Rava Vada is made with semolina. Semolina is a coarse flour that is made from the durum wheat and it is very high in protein. The semolina is used to make pasta and a variety of Indian dishes, savoury dishes like Rava dosa, Rava upuma, Rava idli, Rava paniyaram, Rava khichdi, the list goes on. You can also make Indian sweets with it like Rava kesari, Rava payasam and Rava laddu. The semolina is also used to make cakes. A most versatile ingredient, the semolina is delectable in its many guises. As a vada, it looks exactly like the ulundu vadai with a hole in the middle. It is crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. It is not commercially sold in Malaysia and that's why many Malaysians don't know about the Rava Vada. It has to be made at home and I have just the recipe for you. So, shall we? The ingredients for the Rava Vada are 1 240 ml measuring cup of Rava, also known as Sooji or Semolina, 3/4 cup of yoghurt that is a little sour, 1 small to medium sized onion chopped fine, 3 to 4 green bird's eye chilies depending on the level of heat that you desire, 3/4 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns lightly crushed, 1 stalk of curry leaves cut fine and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves cut fine, salt to taste, and finally oil for deep frying. Shall we start making the Rava Vada? First thing is to mix the Rava with the ingredients. I'm adding the cumin seeds and the crushed peppercorns and the asafoetida in first. Now this Rava is roasted, but you do not have to use roasted Rava. Unroasted Rava is just fine. Now the next step is to add the yogurt into this Rava mixture. I need to add all of it. To mix the Rava and the yogurt together until it is well combined. The Rava is a very thirsty flour. It will soak up all the liquid that it finds itself in. So what I will do now is I'll whisk it and then I'll leave it to rest for about 25 minutes. Now it's important to whisk the Rava. You can either use a fork or you can beat it with your hand. This is to aerate the Rava to make the vada soft. Just whisk it a little while more. Okay, I think that should do. I am now going to leave this rava mixture to rest for about 25 minutes. Okay, this rava mixture has been resting for 25 minutes. Now we'll add the rest of the ingredients except for the soda bicarbonate. The onions, the ginger, the chilies, the curry leaves and the coriander leaves. We'll mix it first before adding the salt. Add some salt. Okay, the rava mixture should not be too dry. So let's just have a look. My hands are clean. Let me just see whether it needs water or it needs more rava. My hands were wet just now. My hands were dry rather just now, so I've just wet my hands. Now let's form the vadas. Make a hole like the ulundu vada and then it's ready to be fried. Now you can either form these vadas on your palm of your hand after making sure it's nice and wet, or you could make it on a piece of banana leaf after you have wilted it and oiled it. I have oil on a medium flame. Let's wait for the oil to heat up. Now I'm going to form the vadas on a banana leaf which I have wilted and I have oiled. I will show you later how to wilt this banana leaf. If I'm using a banana leaf to form the vadas, I wilt it over a fire like this. I do this so that the banana leaf doesn't tear very fast. You can just put it over a flame and wilt it like this. After this, the banana leaf will become pliable. Now show you how to form the rava vada on the banana leaf. To make sure your hands are very wet, and then put the ball of vada mixture on the banana leaf, press it and make a hole in it. Now it's ready. Now it's ready for frying. The oil has been heating up on a medium heat. Now I'm going to put the first vada in. You have to adjust the heat because if it's too hot, the vadas will burn. So I've reduced mine to a bit lower than medium because my medium is quite hot. Okay, you fry the first vada. I think that should do. Yeah. I'll make the rest of the vadas and see you after that. Here we are. I've managed to get 10 rava vadas. Now I'll serve it on a banana leaf. Rava vada. Served with coconut chutney and a mug of hot chai. Very tasty. There you have it, an instant vada for you to make at home. Please try this recipe and let me have your feedback in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Until I see you next Sunday with a new recipe, thank you, stay safe and bye.